Do you cook with lentils? Well, if you do, you're gonna love this recipe. If you don't, you're gonna love this recipe. Lentils are a very great source of protein. They're easy to digest and they have a lot of fiber in them as well. So let me show you how to make them in a crock pot. My number one goal when making recipes is to show you the why behind the ingredients. I believe when you know why I've used certain ingredients, you might be more inclined to rolling up your sleeves and trying these recipes in your own kitchen. Ingredients matter, and the less processed ingredients we can use, the better. Healthy cooking does not have to be complicated. It doesn't have to use weird, strange, hard to find ingredients. We just need to get back to the basics of cooking with real food. Real food has health benefits. One great benefit to using lentils in your recipe is protein. It is a clean protein. It's an easily digestible protein. And you can make them so many different ways and add so many different flavors just by switching up your herbs, spices, and vegetables. This is a great recipe as a side dish or a main dish, either one. You're basically going to put all of your ingredients into a slow cooker. Slow cookers are a great device to use on meal prep day, meaning you can cook them ahead of time, let the slow cooker do all the work, and then you can make other meal prep recipes while the lentils cook in the slow cooker. This recipe has so much flavor, but more importantly, it has a lot of nutrients using very simple ingredients. My recipes are created not for pretty food pictures, but my recipes are created to help you fall in love with healthy cooking. It doesn't have to be super expensive, it doesn't have to be time-consuming, but it can also be very delicious. Our health starts with what we eat every single day, and I'm here to inspire and encourage you to start using healthier ingredients in your recipes. If you would like a simple approach to healthier eating and cooking, I'm your gal. And if you haven't done so, feel free to join my free weekly newsletter to keep the inspiration going in your own kitchen, as I show you simple tips and tricks, recipes, and ideas on how to eat a little bit healthier. I want you to fall in love with healthy cooking again. You can grab this full recipe on my website by clicking the link that's down in the captions. If you have a favorite lentil recipe or way you prepare them, tell me in the comments. I'm always looking for fresh ideas as well.